Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making Jamaican plantain porridge. Here on the stove, I have a pot with water, salt, and cinnamon stick. You can choose to either use the cinnamon stick or the cinnamon powder. It's the same difference, okay? Let's bring this to a boil. So guys, while the water is, getting heated, I'm gonna go ahead, wash my plantains. I'm using 3 plantains here, and I'm gonna get these peeled and cut up and blend so that we can put it in the pot. Many of us know that plantains can be stainy, and to prevent this from, sticking to your hand, you can go ahead and use a little vegetable oil or whatever oil you use to cook, just to massage your hand, or should I say use as a protective layer, so that the stain from the plantain will not stick onto your hand, and then it'll be so difficult to get off. So you can go ahead and moisturize your hands using the oil. Since I'm through with cutting up my plantains, I went ahead, added to the blender, add some water to that, and now we're ready to blend. So here you can choose to have, your plantains smoothly blend, or you can go ahead and, have it like a little bit semi-solid. But this way, I love it this way, so it's up to your preference. Guys, you see the color of the water? This is how I love to boil my water, so that the cinnamon can at least change the color of the water. So as you can see here, I'm adding my mixture to the water. Guys, there's 2 ways to really do this. You can either blend your plantain before and just add it straight to the pot, or do it this way. It doesn't matter, the same difference. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start by adding my spices to the porridge while it's being cooked. Many people choose to add their spices while they are sweetening the porridge, but this is the way I enjoy in adding my spices. In this way, I believe the porridge comes out even more tastier. So guys, if you're wondering what this is my nutmeg. Okay guys, so I'm just grating about a half teaspoon of nutmeg into the porridge, and I'm just gonna blend that in as well. You can choose to go ahead with your ground nutmeg, it's even more easier, but it doesn't matter. Guys, about 10 minutes into cooking, it's now time for me to go ahead and add my evaporated milk. Some people choose to use whatever milk they like, but I recommend the evaporated milk. It's more creamier and it comes out with a very beautiful flavor. And guys, you just want to give it a nice stir, to combine that evaporated milk into the porridge. Make sure that every crease and every corner get that evaporated milk. 3 to 4 minutes, guys, I am back, and it's time for me to sweeten the porridge. And guys, it is your choice if you choose to use the granulated sugar or the brown sugar. For me, I use brown sugar because it gives it a nice back home taste, and this is what I love. So guys, you want to know how your porridge tastes, so you want to go ahead and taste your porridge. I'll be using this spoon here, just to taste a little bit of that. And this is where many people would add a little salt, but because I had went ahead from the start and added my salt, I don't need to add no salt to my porridge. And we know that salt, of course, will bring up the flavor. So at this point, it is perfect. Serve with 4 Jamaican Excelsior cinnamon crackers is your green plantain porridge. Most delicious, especially at breakfast time, but you can have this porridge any time of the day, that is for dinner or even for lunch. Guys, now it's your turn. Please give this video a big thumbs up Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and don't forget to click that bell to activate the notification so that you can know the next time my video is posted. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.